Items stored overhead in industrial steel pallet racks have the potential to fall into aisleways. These falling items could strike personnel or equipment below, causing injury and damage. To prevent these product falls, steel mesh containment panels, also called rack safety panels, rack guarding, and rack back, can be attached to the uprights, backs, and sides of pallet racks. The panels prevent items from falling, reducing the risks to personnel, products, and property. But how can an end user compare the quality, consistency, and durability of steel mesh containment panels when looking at different solutions? To answer that question, the members of the Protective Guarding Manufacturers Association, ProGMA, created the American National Standards Institute ANSI 31.1 standard. As the industry's leading suppliers of fixed protective guarding products, ProGMA members are the authoritative resource for best practices, standards, and applications for a broad range of guarding solutions, including steel mesh containment panels. ProGMA's ANSI 31.1 standard provides guidance and information about steel mesh containment panel design, use, and performance criteria. It also establishes a consistent testing methodology to assess and document a panel's response to an impact. This standard even references the often overlooked flue spacing requirements to comply with the NFPA 13. Prior to the ANSI 31.1 standard, there was no benchmark for assessing the safety and reliability of steel mesh containment panels. The ANSI 31.1 standards test procedure emulates a pallet rack system with a steel mesh panel secured in place. It requires a specific dimension for the test panel, which is then subjected to at least 2 pendulum impacts, weighted to create an impact force of 350 foot-pounds or 475 joules. The pendulum is aligned to target the panel in 2 areas, the center and a corner where it has been attached to the rack. The test quantifies 2 things. First, the amount of deflection that results from the impact. This measures the degree to which the mesh is displaced by the pendulum strike. Second, the amount of deformation or changes to the shape of the mesh is determined. These test results indicate the likelihood of the following happening in a real-world installation. The amount of dynamic deflection that could cause the panel to encroach into an aisleway or to come into contact with the panel behind it in a back-to-back installation. Permanent deformation of the wire mesh, whether or not the fastener hardware or bracket broke away from the panel or pallet rack. The consistency of the wire mesh openings at the point of impact, and whether or not the wires remain welded. These results can help an end user to compare similar steel mesh containment panels to determine which is the optimal choice for their application. The ProGMA ANSI 31.1 standard for steel mesh containment panels is available for purchase via ProGMA's website, mhi.org/ProGMA. Need more help navigating your steel mesh containment panel options? The members of ProGMA who manufacture these solutions and other related products are available to answer your questions. Be smart. Protect your people, product, and facility by using ProGMA's ANSI 31.1 standard for steel mesh containment panel testing and ensure safer design for your peace of mind. To purchase a copy of the standard or to learn more about ProGMA, Safer by Design, visit mhi.org/ProGMA.